have a problem? I do. Well, I'm actually facing this issue where I left my clothes out to dry, only to have them to get soaked by unexpected rainfalls. This results in inconvenience, wasted time, and the need to redo my laundry.
Thank God, I have solution for you.
Students at SYT Besut have limited time to dry and wash their clothes. Malaysia is known for its unpredictable weather change, and students often struggle to save their clothes when unexpected rain occurs while they are in classrooms. SYT Besut provides a hanging room, but it has limited space and takes too much time to dry since it is a closed room. As a result, the clothes become smelly because the wind and sunlight cannot enter the room.
Our objective is to provide a convenient and effective solution for drying clothes quickly and efficiently.
So, how it works? If there is sunlight, the clothes are left out to dry with the heat from the sun. So, detect some raindrop, the DC motor will activate and pull the detectable color sunshade as below average. The exhaust fan will be activated and dry back to normal. The exhaust fan will activate to save and detect light. The DC motor will open the roof when there is no raindrops on the rain sensor.
This is an early drawing of our product. From 3D view, we can see retractable roof, exhaust fan, control box, and storage box. Control box, we have light sensor, humidity sensor, and rain sensor. From up view of our storage box, we have control box, iron wire, storage box, retractable roof, and exhaust fan. Inside the control box, we have breadboard, wires, also an Arduino.
From the rain exposure and saving money. By extending the life of your clothes, you can save money in the long run by reducing the frequency with which you need to replace them. Third, convenience. Products that protect your clothes from rain can be very convenient as they allow you to go about your day without having to worry about getting caught in a sudden downpour.
Overall, our product is first, storage box for Mr. DIY is 20 ringgit for a unit. Second, Arduino Uno is 60 ringgit for a unit. DC motor is 5 ringgit for a unit, and the total is 121 ringgit for 8 units.
We hope that our product can provide a convenient and efficient solution for drying clothes by automating the hanging and drying process. This product can save time, energy, and water compared to the traditional drying method. An automated hanging rack can provide a practical and innovative solution for drying clothes in a more efficient and convenient way. That's all from us. Thank you.